Swagbucks can pay you through dozens of task types like surveys, offers, and cashback, while Mistplay only pays for playing mobile games, which limits how fast you can scale your earnings. By the end of this, you'll know which app pays more in real-world use, how each one actually makes you money, and which one fits your time if you're trying to earn consistently instead of casually. Swagbucks has a wider earning system. You earn points by completing surveys, signing up for partner offers, shopping through cashback links, or doing small daily tasks like polls. Because there are multiple income streams inside one app, your earning speed depends on how many categories you use at the same time. If you stick to only one section like surveys, your progress is usually slower and more inconsistent. Mistplay works differently. It pays you for installing and playing mobile games from its partner list. You earn points based on time spent in games and in-game activity, then convert those points into rewards. The key limitation is that your earning options are locked to gaming, so once you've used the available game list in your region, your growth slows until new games appear. The biggest difference is flexibility. Swagbucks gives you multiple ways to earn in one place, which means you can switch tasks when one category stops working for you. Mistplay keeps you inside a single activity type, which is easier but narrower. Another difference is effort style. Swagbucks often requires more attention per task, especially surveys or offers that ask detailed questions or signups. Mistplay is more passive because you're already playing games, but it also takes longer to accumulate meaningful rewards unless you play regularly. So which one pays more? In real usage, Swagbucks usually has higher earning potential because it offers more types of high-value tasks. Mistplay tends to be slower but simpler, especially if you already spend time gaming on your phone. The trade-off is clear. Swagbucks rewards strategy and variety. Mistplay rewards consistency in one activity. If you want to maximize earnings, focus on Swagbucks and rotate between surveys, offers, and cashback when available. If you want something passive that feels like entertainment first, Mistplay fits better. To sum it up, Swagbucks pays more because it has more earning methods. Mistplay is easier but limited to gaming, and your choice depends on whether you want flexibility or simplicity. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of reward apps without the confusion.